Hello quiz lovers! Quiz Helper here again with another exciting tutorial. Have you ever wondered how to get the 3D motion effect on your quiz pictures that channels such as Quiz Blitz uses? Well, today I will show you how to do this in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is also possible in CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, as well as other popular video editors. Let's check it out! First, have your quiz video ready and your image uploaded to the video editor as I have here. For the pop-up effect, with the image highlighted, go to Effect Controls. Under the Motion tab, click the stopwatch for scale. Then move the slider to 0. Move the timeline slider to the right and set the scale to 75. Then move a few more frames to the right and set the scale to 60. I move the slider one more time and set the scale to the final image size of 65. Zoom in on the Controls slider for fine-tuning of the keyframes. Then, on the bottom left, under Effects, look for Basic 3D. Drag the effect over the image. Back on Effect Controls, look for the Basic 3D option and click the clock for both swivel and tilt. Then move the slider to the right a few frames and set the swivel to 10 degrees and the tilt to -10 degrees. Move the slider to the right some more and switch the numbers. Swivel to -10 degrees and tilt to 10 degrees. Copy the last 4 adjustments, move the slider to similar spacing, and paste the settings. Do this as many times as you need. Let's preview it. Whoa! That's a bit too fast. Let's space the keyframes a bit more. Let's check it out now. That's much better. And there you have it. A quick 3D image motion effect tutorial for Premiere Pro. Make sure to slow the video down and pause when needed. Other video editors may have different names to the effect, but the principle is the same. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're interested in the Canva template used in this example, it's available on my Etsy page. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy quiz making!